Every year, no matter how long of a break you have, whether it's 2 or 3 months going into the season since you haven't seen everybody, and it's just new, it's fresh, you got new gear, your bike looks a little bit different. Just that feeling, the nervousness, the anxiousness you feel, it's awesome. Like, I love that feeling.
I think those butterflies never go away. For the first time this year, I feel like I'm making headwind, and I put in a lot of work compared to the years before. Been recovering really well and just continue to do it every single day. So I think my self-confidence and everything is on a way different spot than it was last year.
Yeah, it's interesting being 35, almost 36. I honestly have more fun now than I ever have, but I'm also just really enjoying it, enjoying the atmosphere of the team, being teammates with Ken. That's awesome. We're already getting along really, really good, and just gonna try and enjoy it. And I think that's when everybody races best, and everyone's happy to go to work. 17 weekends in 18 weeks. It's like, you gotta enjoy it, you gotta have fun, and we're gonna have a lot of fun this year.
I'm super excited. I mean, we still got about a couple more weeks to put in some good training and just fine tune everything. But yeah, it's like a new school year, like you said. We're getting ready. I'm excited. New gear looks good and everything. So I think we're much further ahead than we were last year.